Did you know one construction foreman prevented America's deadliest bridge collapse just 6 hours before it happened? In 2018, Carl Rodriguez was inspecting a Houston highway bridge when he found something terrifying. The steel inspection reports were fake. The support beams weren't reinforced steel at all. They were recycled aluminum, designed to fail during rush hour. For 25 years, Carl had been loyal to his company, but this was different. His bosses planned to kill thousands of commuters for $500 million in insurance money. 2 other bridges had already collapsed mysteriously, killing 47 people. This one was scheduled to fail on Friday evening when families would be crossing. Carl faced losing his pension, but he couldn't stay silent. He leaked the engineering reports to authorities. The bridge closed just 6 hours before the planned collapse. Investigators confirmed it would have pancaked onto the highway below. His integrity saved over 10,000 lives.